Hi everyone, welcome to today's crafting program. My name is Dabney. I'm the young adult librarian with the Twin Lakes Libraries and I use they, them pronouns. For today's craft, we are going to be making buttons. Now, this is not a do-it-at-home craft. This is one you'd have to come into the library to use our button maker to make, but I'm showing you all this because today's in-person craft program we're going to be making buttons using the button maker, and if you think this looks cool, you can come on by the library, when we have our after-school programs, and make a button. We have in-person programs now, after school, Monday through Friday, 3:30 to 5:30. This is for middle school and high school students. You don't have to sign up. You can just come in. It doesn't matter if you're late, doesn't matter if you have to leave early, that's fine. But you can just come and do some crafts, do some programs with us. We've already done perler beads yesterday, and we're going to have some games later this week, and we want to get to know you all and find out what you're interested in doing here at the library. One thing I really would love to get started up with y'all is an anime club. So if you're interested, please come on by, meet with me, let me know, and we'll get that started. Okay, so getting into making the buttons. This is one I made yesterday, and this is the back. So this is only like 1 inch. It's a very small button, but these are, nice size if you want to put them on like your backpack or something like that. So I'll show you how to make this. First of all, you'll need an image. So a lot of times when we've done this program before, students will pick out their images and we'll print them and then they'll cut them out. So this is one that I was working from that I had. It was just some characters from the anime Free Eternal Summer. So I already cut out some people's heads. So we're going to do another one right now. And the tool I like to use is this to kind of get the perfect circle. And you use this with it. It has like a little sharp razor point, and I'll show you how that works. So we've got our cutting board here, and first of all, this is like the metal piece we'll use, and I like to put that over, the face or the shape to know kind of like where to center it. So this guy, we'll put it like here. So that's the center of my design. And then I put this around it and make sure, this is centered, and then these little feet hook into this track here. So you just press down, drag it, and then like that. And this is like actually a tool you use for doing like scrapbooking. That's why I originally got it. Alright, so there is our image. It's a little like not all the way around, but that's going to be fine because this like edge around here is going to get wrapped under this circle. You'll see that in a second. Okay, so this is, let's see, our button maker. And let's do it this way. We've got a bunch of pieces to go in this. So I'm going to get those out for y'all. But once you get to doing this, it's really easy. So first, we're going to make a pin back. So you got this little piece here. You just open it up like that. And then here. And you go like that. This end pops out, and then you just hook it in like so. And this end is going to go in this part of the machine. So you're putting it this side facing up. on this side, you pull this over and you'll put in your metal piece. This is the back, this is the front. You put the front, this is the side facing up. You put your image in there facing up and centered. And then we have a little plastic circle that goes on top. Like that. Okay. Then what you do is you're going to slide this back here. This, there's a little like piece sticking up here, and you want to make sure that's rotated here. So everything is lined up. Then you use super strength and press this down. Okay, and then you slide this over. This little piece up here is now pointing in this direction. Make sure this is all lined up. And super strength again. And there is our button. So yeah, that is how it works. This is the whole button maker thing. Yeah, so this is Ray, and this is Mako. And anyways, I'm like, if you've been watching any of my craft programs, you know that like I'm a huge fan of the free anime, and I'm really excited because I think the final, I don't know if it's a movie or like a season, but it comes out like this fall, and it's some of the characters from the show competing in the Olympics and swimming, and I'm like, I'm so excited. Yeah, which reminds me, I'll just put a link in this video in case you're curious, but I did create a reading list of books in our collection that are sports themed, like the main characters are into sports, and that includes it includes manga and graphic novels, as well as like novels, and a few nonfiction books that you can check out from us. I mean, I know the Olympics are over, but you know what? Sports continue year-round. All right, so that is it for the program. I'm also going to drop a link in the video notes to a previous craft program I did where we made buttons at home, and that's one, like, you know, if you have certain materials laying around your house, you could make your own button. But yeah, I hope you all are having a good week, and if you're back in school, I hope it's all going well. And just a reminder, you can now come to in-person programs at the Hancock Branch. We are located across the parking lot from the Mary Benson, the main library downtown, and we would love to see you. Okay, that's all for now. The next crafting program is going to be, we're going to kind of do it every other week. So there's not going to be one next week, but the week following we'll have something for y'all. All right, bye.